On the camera.
Hi, I missed you guys. I'm not here for a while.
Get back here. You silly girl. You want to tell him, tell the people something? You want to tell them how good you're doing in school? You gonna be shy now? Silly goose.
I'm thirsty.
Look at the Alfredo sauce, how pretty it is.
But I'm riding with a rock with another rock. This one's name line.
Are you happy
find
up
some
here?
more rocks by.
You going to get more rocks?
Yeah. Bye.
Hold on, guys. Good morning, y'all. This is day 3. We up here on the mountain with Come On. I got the great-grand youngins up here and the granddaughter up here. So we got 4 generations on the mountain. There's Come On. So we're gonna be doing some photos today. Here come Brindley.
A big, huge one.
Oh yes, that's a big.
I found a.
Oh, pretty flower.
Yeah, it has some. Nothing on it. There's just like.
Probably do.
How does it have any water?
Yeah, the water's the dew from the night.
Okay. And in the days.
Yeah.
So I'm going to show you all my rocks. This one's tiny. Can you guys turn it back on? Dude. Okay.
We'll make a rock garden.
For the birds. Okay. So I get an eye on.
Oh, you got a lot of rocks.
A bone. And then a flowy. Call them flowy ones. So I don't know where I'm going to make it. In the house, I think.
No, you can't make a rock garden in the house, silly. I don't think Papa would like that.
Why?
No, I don't think he might. Silly girl.
Don't put him in there. I take this one inside because it's tiny. I don't know about these ones are going to not be inside. I made some ice cubes. They melted a little because I accidentally left them on the counter. But I made some different juice ice cubes, and now Nana's going to try one. Okay, which one? This is like pineapple. These are all like pineapple except this one's sweet tea. This one's also one that's me and Mom ate, that was Amber. So which one would you like, a heart or a rose?
I like a heart.
Okay. Just gonna pop this one out. Here you go. It's like a little Reese's cup. Brindley, you're getting a heart. This is I know. I'm gonna have a
y'all, this is good.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this girl did good, y'all.
We might make some today.
They're good.
And you get to drink the juice that's left over.
Oh, look at the man over there. He said, "We're mine."
You want one?
They are working on the flower bed. Oh, it's funny. Yeah, it's funny. Yeah, you Supervisor Lawson. Yeah, yeah, baby's the supervisor. You're clapping. You're clapping, boy. Yeah, you clapping. Yeah. That's my man. That's my man. They're working hard over there on the greenhouse. Yep, they're doing good. Yeah, they are. They're doing real good over there. I'm working hard. And look at Lawson. He's doing good. He's such a good baby. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, baby. I'm sitting over here babysitting and they out there working. Life couldn't be any better. You can pop on shirt. My strong girl Brindley. There's Destiny and Addie and David working in the greenhouse. And Lawson is in here playing. Lawson! Lawson's clapping. Hi, Lawson. Hi, Lawson. There's my baby.
Lawson! Lawson! Say cheese! Say cheese, fat boy!
Good luck, Gigi's cane. Good luck, Gigi's cane. Lawson. Lawson.
way too much sawdust.
This camera is better. This one.
Some people get things don't look at anything, but this indicates I'm going a little bit too slow. The good news is that it's dry. You should never have wet sawdust. If you're putting on so much blade glue that your sawdust is packing up.
When are you taking us home?
Bread mix.